Hello guys, welcome back to Ricky's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make this amazing fruit and date smoothie. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned and enjoy my recipe. Ingredients to make this smoothie: you will need 1 banana and 1 mango, about 4 to 5 pieces of dates, milk and sugar optional if you like more sweets. In a small or medium blender, add the fruits. Cut the banana into small pieces as you can see in the video. Then add 1 ripe mango, peel it and cut it into small pieces and put in the blender. Then you will add about 4 to 5 pieces of dates. Make sure you have removed the pit inside before putting the dates in. Lastly, pour about 1.5 glasses of cold milk. You can add more milk according to the thickness you want. Once everything is in, blend everything till well blended and smooth. At this point, you can able to taste if you will need more sugar. And your fruit date smoothie is ready. Serve it immediately or you can serve it cold and enjoy your delicious smoothie. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.